Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to create your own mobile game, play it with your friends, and maybe even make some money by adding ads? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an Android game completely free without writing a single line of code or using ChatGPT. I'll walk you through the entire process from choosing the game name to adding ads and testing it on your mobile. So make sure to stick around until the end. All right, let's get started. First, go to App Creator 24 and create an account. Once you're logged in, click Create App. Now we need to name our game. Don't worry, you can change it later. Next, we'll add an icon. I'll pick one from the gallery for now, but you can swap it out anytime. We also need to add a description, but don't stress too much about it. Just type something for now. You can refine it after we've chosen the type of game we're building. Now it's time to choose the style for our game. When we reach this step, we're going to select Create an Empty App to start from scratch. Once that's done, hit Go to App Manager. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a bunch of sections. But before exploring those, we need to pick our game. Click Sections, then Create Section. There are loads of options here, but we're making a game, so scroll down until you see Game and click that. Now give the section a title, just something simple like Game. This is where the fun begins. It's time to choose our game. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you're new here, subscribe. Let's pick a game. I want something similar to Subway Surfer, but in 2D, like an escape game. There's one called Gravity Boy. Let's check out the preview. It looks challenging and fun. Let's go with that one. For the configurations, there's not much to change unless you want to tweak the background color. You could also enable signups for your users, but for now, let's skip that. Our main goal is to get more installs on the Play Store, so we'll leave things as they are and hit Save. Next, let's design the menu. Click Design and select the menu type. I'll go with the last option, which is a layout without a menu, then hit Save. Easy, right? Now we'll go to General Info. Here, we can change the app's name and icon. I'm renaming it Gravity Nisam, and I'll use an icon from the game. But if you plan to publish on the Play Store, I recommend making a custom icon with Photoshop or an AI image generator. Let's add our ads. Go to start.io and create an account. It's super easy. Use your Google account or email, then click Add New App. I'll paste in the game's download link and name it Gravity Nisam. Choose Android as the platform, and make sure to select This app is not designed for kids. Click Add App, then create the ad ID. You'll need to paste this ID in every ad space in the app settings. Just follow my lead. Once that's done, we can generate the APK. Click Generate APK and choose whether you want only the .apk or both .apk and .aab files. If you're planning to upload to the Play Store, you'll need both. But for now, let's just generate the .apk file and click Save. Now it's time to test the game. Let's check out how it looks and if the ads are working. The game runs smoothly on mobile, adjusting perfectly to any screen size, whether it's a phone or tablet. And good news, the interstitial ads work great. The banner and native ads are a bit tricky though, so you might need to test that further, but the rewarded ads are also working fine. As a bonus tip for those of you still here, App Creator 24 can be used for more than just games. You can create an app to sell t-shirts or even drive traffic to your website to double your earnings. The possibilities are endless, so get creative. That's it for today's video. Thanks for sticking with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what kind of game you want to build. See you in the next video.